Tiger football coach Andy Rosberg joins us. And Coach, congratulations on the win tonight. You get the Wright County Conference Championship, and you also beat a pretty good team here in Grand Rapids.
Good team, scary team. They are very scary. That's a great quarterback. They've got good receivers, and I thought our defense did a nice job, and offensively we were able to put enough points on the board.
But more importantly, though, with the GSL win, that it's kind of weird cheering for your arch rival, but they gave you, with their win, the conference championship outright, but they may also have put you in the number 2 slot for sections.
They did both of those. We got the conference championship outright. We're the only undefeated team in the conference, and then we're going to be the number 2 seed.
Talk about your offense here tonight. I thought you found a way to run the football again, and Tony Sedergren was a big reason why.
Tony had a nice job in there. We ran the trap fairly well, and then we were able to get outside with Minor a little bit and throw it a little bit.
And then defensively, talk about how you stop a quarterback that I thought that was the best quarterback I've seen all year long.
I would agree with you. He is quick and nifty, and he can scramble. He can beat you on running the ball, and then he can also really throw it.
You get a break now if you are the number 2 seed. You get a break here. What do you do during the break? Do you scrimmage? Do you rest? Do you try and get some people healthy?
We just told them come back on Monday. We give them this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. We'll come back Monday, find out who we play on Tuesday, and then go from there.